Welcome back. So in previous videos we talk about static keyword with the variable. So today we will talk about static block. So let me create one new Java class, static block, and here I will create one public static void main string args. So basically we all know from the main method our program execute. Okay, so using a main method program will execute. If I write system dot out dot println, okay, I'll write something, I am from main. Okay, this is I'm writing, and let me create one constructor also, public static block. Okay, and here also I'm writing something, system dot out dot println, and here I'm writing I am from constructor. Okay, and also I'm creating one static block. Inside I'm writing system dot out println, right, I am from static block. So guess guys, pause the video and guess what will be the tell me guys, which block will execute first? Main method will execute first, static block will execute first, this constructor or this block? So pause the video and see. Yeah, so I'm running it. See, static block and the main method. Constructor will not execute until unless I will create an object of this class and I have initialized it. So if I do so, in the demo I have a static method. So let me remove this here and let me create the static block object. Okay, and if you see, if I run this class and see the I am from constructor. Okay, main method, from the main method only we have executed. Let's suppose I wanted this one, here itself. I am from static, I am from constructor. Okay, and if you put here like this, then see the magic. Okay, it doesn't matter, this one we can put it anywhere. Okay, so this is a static block. Basically static block will execute first and we initialize only once with the one object, and we can use a static with function also. So in next video we will talk about how we can use static with the functions, the methods we call it in Java. Okay, so hope you understood, and if you like the video you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video.